Peekaboo. Today I will make the new experiment. The first thing, we have bowl, water, soap, black pepper. Now first thing we'll put water. Now I'll put sprinkled black pepper. Oh, did you see the germs? Look, it's not raining. Look at me. Look. Oh my God, a lot of germs. See? Oh no. Did you see the germs? Look. What we need? Idea! We will need soap. Diggly. My sister's turn. Dip it a lot. Then it's going away from me. Did you see that? Did you see? 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 It's go. Go, germs, you are not happy. Bye. Go. Now, we want to wash our hands before the food and after the food. To the germs go away like this. See? They go away. Did you see? My sister. Hello. Like, share, subscribe, and be good in the channel. Me and my sister today. Bye.